Hi, I'm Sangeeta, India's only breakthrough pathways coach. I help mid-career professionals turn their restlessness into success and success into significance. Basically, I help them to rise up to their potential. So today we'll be doing a meditation wherein we will be already reaching to our future self, which we always imagine to be there, and who is there, who we aspire to become someday. We will become that today itself. So, how many of you want to already attain the frequency of your all successful future self? We all are differentiated by the frequency that we are vibrating with. So let us think that our future self is vibrating at a much more higher frequency, and she or they are very, very successful as much as we want. So, how many of you are ready to meet your future self today? Raise your hand. So, let us attain that today. Close your eyes now. Take a slow, deep breath. Let it go gently. With every breath, feel your body softening, your mind getting quiet. As you experience the silence, the deeper wisdom in you begins to rise. You are safe. You are here. You are ready. Now, ask yourself, what do you want? It is not the surface level want. It is the heart which whispers you about something that it wants, almost hiding, almost half trusting. And as you are still, you are listening to your heart whispering to you again another time. What do you really want? Notice how it feels to hold that vision. Your mind is not racing anymore. Stillness is where you make the jump to the other side, because it does not feel any lack, but feels being that. It is already done. You have to just see it, hear it, touch it, feel the joy of wish fulfilled. Breathe that feeling into every cell of your body. Feel the new identity. It is whole, powerful, unstoppable. Notice the old beliefs, the toxic habits, the limits. Those belong to you at this moment, as you are about to make that quantum jump to your future self. They feel like they are behind you, not there anymore. Watch them getting dissolved at a far distance horizon. It is time for the eternal truth. You are feeling, I'm worthy, I'm abundant, I'm free. Feel a new day. Is good one. You are chasing nothing any. You are receiving. If you remember in the old self, where did you aspire to rise up to? To walk into the dream zone as if it is every day. Standing up to the anticipating audience in the first hall that you found. Standing tall with your conviction to that audience. And then a second hall you enter to another audience. And this audience is different. You are told, but still you are with your conviction, serving them as you stand tall to their expectation. And you slowly walk past that hall to another hall, to another audience, and then another, and another. And now you have got this habit of standing tall to any audience, no matter what their experience are, whatever their expectations are. You are standing tall to them all. You know, your heart already is ready for each of the audience to serve. You are embodying you standing tall. Your body learns it. It learns the new posture, the new language, the natural confidence. That old self, like a shadow, is not following you anymore. That past self has merged into your presence for good. Breathe in that new reality. Breathe out the old, if it has been still there. You are not the one who had begun. You have become the one who has arrived. The energy is lighter here, freer, more expansive. You are standing inside the frequency of your desired identity. Look around with your inner vision. What do you see here? What do you feel here? What does your life look like in this higher timeline? Engage all your senses. See it, feel it, hear it, smell it. Taste the success. This is not imagination anymore. This is memory from your future. This is your remembering who you truly are. You are receiving. You are not trying to manifest. You are embodying. See how your future self is standing tall, calm, and confident. Notice how they move through the world, how they make decisions, how they respond to life. Feel their confidence flowing into your story, your body. Feel their nervous system regulating yours. Feel their frequency becoming your frequency. This is who you are. Repeat with yourself, I am now aligned with the highest version of myself. I am living in the timeline of miracles. I am no longer reaching for my dreams. I am receiving them. I am the creator of my destiny. I am vibrating with the frequency of success. I am magnetic to everything I desire. I release all old patterns that no longer serve me. Feel the alignment setting into you. Steady, powerful, unshaken. You retain the frequency, completely embodying the future be. And now, very slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to the body. Take a deep, nourishing breath and feel yourself grounded here. Now, present. Gently open your eyes, carrying with your calm, clarity, and transformation of this journey. Welcome back.